Assalamualaikum, Sheezarashidusa from California, USA. I hope you and your family are doing well. Today I brought another beautiful look for you guys. It could be a bridal or a party look. Let's begin this beautiful and magical look together. And I hope you all enjoy this look and will recreate this look. Let's start it. I used all the red color in this look, so dark red, light red and pinkish. I also used a black eyeshadow to give it a depth in the crease and also the outer edge of the eyeshadow. With this I am gonna start the look. So I use this icy red palette from Glam Light. Beautiful color, gorgeous palette and easy to blend. So I'm gonna use this palette on this makeup practice board. So let's start it from the inner corner of the eye and make sure you draw a sketch how you would like to create a crease. It doesn't have to be a neat and clear, because at the end you guys are gonna clean it and cut it with makeup remover, so we can make it more neater. The way I created the sketch on the right eye, same way I created it on the left eye too. So after creating this sketch, I use the black eyeshadow to give it more depth. So you can see I'm using a black and mixing it with the red to create that depth in the crease area. If you have a hooded eye, make sure to create it above your natural crease, so your eyes will look bigger and it will give a neat crease line on your hooded eye. So see how after blending this, now you can go back. I'm gonna do same thing on the second eye as well to make it depth. After doing that, I took the reddish eyeshadow and I started blending above the dark crease, so it will be a smooth transition and smooth blending. So as you can see that I am blending a red color on top of this black and reddish. After blending it well, you can see I took the lighter pinkish and I went on top of this crease, and after blending very well, I took the makeup remover, wipes, and then I started cleaning my crease. You can see that it made the crease very neat and clear, sharp cut. So with this you can cut the shape as you want. So that's how I clean up. Same way I'm gonna do the second one. After cleaning and cutting the sharp edges, you guys can see that I started with a black eyeshadow at the outer corner of the eye. You can see I created a V and bringing it in toward the inner or mid part of the eye. So this is a black color, dark black, because always outer corner I keep the darker shade. So you can see this looks beautiful, gorgeous, and I hope you all can try this technique. After blending it well, as you can see, blending it well, I took the same black eyeshadow and I used underneath the eye as well, and then I used the dark red and blend it with the black color. After blending it, you can see how beautiful the outer edge looks. Same way, I'm gonna blend it on the left eye too. After blending on the both sides, this is how it looks. After that, I took the lightest shimmer from the palette and I applied in the inner corner. As you can see, I'm applying it in the inner corner, the lightest shade, and then with the light it's not that much clear the shade, but then I took the pinkish light pink and I applied in the mid part of the eye, mid part of the eyelid. I applied the pink shimmery shade on the same way I did on the other side as well. Then I took this beautiful gorgeous palette of shimmers, glitters, and I applied on top of this pink shade. As you can see, I applied it on top of in the middle part of the eye. After applying the glitter, I applied the eyelashes. I did not apply any liner, but I did apply eyelashes, and this is the final look. Please do tell me in the comment box how did you like this look, and please try to recreate it. It's a very easy way to recreate, and it can easily be applied on hooded eye as well. You guys can do it. Use this technique or look as a bridal look, as a party look, or any type of fancy party. You guys can create this look. It's very, very gorgeous. I love it how it came out, and I hope you do too. Please make sure to watch full video, and don't forget to give thumbs up if you like this video, so I could create more look for you guys, and you guys can join me. With this, I will say take care and see you next time in next video. Bye bye.